Parallelogram ABCD and triangle APB are on the same base and between the same,
Good morning, sir.
good morning, parallel lines DC parallel to AB. Okay, and same here, parallelogram ABCD and triangle APB are between the same parallel lines and on the same base AB. Then what can be my conclusion? In this case, my conclusion will be that area of triangle APB, that is the triangle that you see outlined in violet, will be half of area of parallelogram ABCD. That is what the theorem means. Okay, now there are certain deductions from this theorem, and one very important deduction from this theorem is that the median of a triangle divides the triangle into two, uh, divides it into two triangles of equal area. Okay, so deduction from this theorem is that a median of a triangle divides the triangle into two triangles of equal area. Recall, what is the meaning of median of a triangle? If you recall the definition of median, I told you, if you have a triangle, and if you take the midpoint of a side such that these two are equal, say I call this R. If you take R as the midpoint of BC such that BR is equal to RC, and if you join from the opposite vertex, if you join A and R, then this AR is called the median of a triangle. You can have two other such medians. If you take this as the midpoint, say call it S, and from the opposite vertex B, if you are joining B and S, then this also becomes BS is the median of a triangle. Also, you can take a point here, call it P, and from the opposite vertex, if you join to P, that is you're joining C and P, then this becomes another median of a triangle. So in total, there are three medians that are possible in a triangle. Okay, so all these AR, BS, and CP are called medians of a triangle, ABC. Okay, so you can have, at the most, you can have three medians. Okay, now coming back to the theorem, this theorem states that a median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal area. Now, what does this mean? Let us draw a triangle here once again.
হ্যাঁ তো আমি ক্লাস হয়েছে আমি কি করবো হ্যাঁ
You take an R as a midpoint of BC, and you take one median, AR. You see that this median divides it into two triangles. This triangle and this triangle. So the median of a triangle divides it into two triangles. And according to this theorem, the area of both the triangles must be equal. So given here is AR
Sir, according to corollary 1.
corollary. This is the only corollary, not yes, corollary 1 you can say. This is the only corollary of this theorem. AR is a median of triangle ABC. Then you can conclude that area of triangle ABR, that is the triangle shaded in red, must be equal to area of triangle ARC, the triangle shaded in green. Okay, so this is the only corollary to this theorem, and a very important corollary also. We will be using this corollary in our sums. Okay, and the next theorem, which is the theorem number 4, is the triangles on the same base and between the same parallel lines are equal in area. Another very important theorem. Triangles on the same base and between the same parallel lines are equal in area. What does this mean? Suppose I have two parallel lines and I have a triangle like this, and say I have another triangle let's call this triangle ABC. Let us call this point P. So you can see here that there are two triangles. So you have